I am Carla J. Spuno and I will show you how I answered exercises 7.2 number 15. Exercises 7.2 number 15. For the stress test described in exercise 14, 6 women had an average heart rate of 115 beats per minute. The standard deviation of the sample was 6 beats. Find the 95% confidence interval of the true mean for the women. So based on our problem, we have this given. We have our sample, which is 6. Our sample mean is 115 and our sample deviation or standard deviation is 6 and our confidence interval is 95%. We are going to find the 95% confidence interval of the true mean for the women. So first, we solve for our alpha. We have the 100% minus the given percentage, which is the 95%. We subtract, it is equal to 5%. And in decimal form, we have 0.05. And then next, we divide it by 2. We have the alpha divided by 2 equals 0.05 divided by 2 equals 0.025. Since the sample standard deviation is given, which is 6, we are going to use the t sub alpha divided by 2. We have 0.025, which is our alpha divided by 2, and our degree of freedom, we have n minus 1, which is the sample minus 1. We have 6 minus 1 equals 5. And for these values, we are going to look for its corresponding value in our t-table. Our 0.025 and degree of freedom 5. We are going to look for the corresponding value of 0.025 and our degree of freedom, which is 5. 0.025 and degree of freedom 5 is exactly on the table, and the corresponding value is 2.571. Then we go back on our problem. So based on the table, the corresponding value of 0.025 and degree of freedom 5 is 2.571, and this will be our t sub alpha divided by 2. And now, our given values are complete. We are ready to solve for the population mean. We're going to use this formula and we substitute our given values. We have 115 minus 2.571 quantity 6 over square root of 6 quantity. Then we have on the right side we have 115 plus 2.571 quantity 6 over the square root of 6. Then first we are going to solve for the values are on the parentheses and we multiply it in the 2.571. There, we have 115 minus 37.7858 and on the right side we have 115 plus 37.7858. And then we subtract and on the right side we add. Now we have 77.2142 and 152.7858. Therefore, one can be 95% confident that the mean from the sample is between 77.2142 and 152.7858. Thank you for listening.